Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but it is long overdue to highlight some of the new features that we just released and also some of the upcoming features to be released in 2025. So let's just hop in. I have one of just my test accounts here. And before we hop into monitoring, let me just add one service account just to go through the process again of how we actually get your accounts through GSC and then use that to push to the crawl API. So let me just click this button. Here in this case, I have a agency plan with 25 different, across my entire account, 25 different service workers. I'm going to copy one of them and go to my GSC here and add user, owner, and add. Okay, once you do that, come back here, check status, and we should hopefully have that be active, which it is, and that's it, right? So you can add as many as you want to a site. We actually recommend spreading them out. Instead of, if you're on an agency plan, for example, you have 25 different ones, you know, uh, depending on your sites, of course, which could vary in size depending on the page totals. You can do five, you can do three. We do recommend spreading them out. But if you want, you can always do all 25 and have your full weight and power of your account focused on one site. So you can totally do that. But for just this video purposes, I added it here. Let me hit close and we're good. Okay. So let me just do this. I was going to send these. Okay, so those are going to index and in progress right now. So real quick, so let's hop into what we just released here, which is our monitoring features. This currently is at the domain level. You'll see once you hop in to your actual dashboard, you'll have this page. And what will happen is if you haven't upgraded, you will see the plans that are available for you to upgrade. Just a quick note on the upgrade process. The price you see on this page is the new price that you're going to pay in total. So that's not just a monitoring feature, that's monitoring, indexing, all that. We are soon to have a new analytics feature coming out, hopefully January 2025. And I'll show you that in a second. But actually, I'll show you that right now, just as an example here, where each of your sites will be able to see real-time tracking of web users and, of course, analytics, conversion data, all that good stuff. So this should be available within your dashboard. Same type of thing. There's going to be basically a package based on page views. So you'll be able to, if you have an agency plan, select agency and how many page views you think you'll have across your entire sites. We do it in hundreds of thousands, and then it gets to the millions. And then if it's past a million page views, you can obviously reach out to us for a custom quote. But this will be available January 2025. This is our real-time tracking and analytics solution. Conversion goals, events, tags, everything you need to see to fully understand the web traffic coming in. Funnels, sessions, views, a lot of filtering you can do, which is great. Views are you can create your own view. We'll have a few standard ones as well. Think like sources where you can see more of. Sorry, I guess not sources. Refers where you can see directly from where people are coming from. But we'll have some of those within the views itself. And this will be available on a site by site basis, right? So the idea, hopefully, you can start to see come together where URL Monitor really is expanding its reach outside of just Google indexing, right? So when I actually purchased this app from Ian back in February of 2024, it was solely around Google indexing, which is great. We still have that feature, of course, always working on improving it as well. But we really wanted to bolster the core functionalities of URL Monitor outside of just Google indexing. So, of course, we still have it. We have Bing indexing, which is available on your account. We will have a UI coming out that is very similar to the Google one. It's a little bit different because just some of the functionalities of the API that Bing offers is different than Google. So there'll be some slight differences, but overall, it will show you kind of the same thing. What's been indexed, how many jobs have been done on behalf of your site, and how many are still in progress to be indexed. So that will be available also sometime in January, and this just comes with any plan that you purchased. There's no upgrade here; it's already available, and it's just the dashboard coming soon. So let's hop into monitoring. This is the new feature that came out Christmas Eve, and you'll see here it's at the domain level. So this is not at the URL level in your indexing tab, right? So you can see here at the URL level, all your different page health stats, as well as, of course, your indexing stats. On the monitoring side, this will be at the domain level. Right now, it's just a summary basis. Soon in January, each one of these will have its own page where it's just a little more robust in terms of what you're understanding the uptime. Cadence, I think, over a week, 90 days, 180 days, as an example for uptime. Obviously, Lighthouse, we show any web dev issues, certificate health, transparency. We show, just more robust stats as opposed to just this green or red or issues type of alert. It will be much more in depth, and that's coming January 2025 as well. So this is available for upgrade now. It's at the summary basis. It's in your account, and then soon analytics will come too, which will show this type of page. You can enable it for your sites if you have the package, and you can basically have everything you need from a monitoring standpoint directly through URL Monitor, which was our goal. And, we're just a little bit behind timing. We were hoping to get this all available and out there by the end of 2024, but it looks like we'll be 1 month behind, and we'll have a complete monitoring app at the domain level, at the URL level, obviously including Google indexing, Bing indexing. We also are looking within Bing to add Index Now, which will open up a couple other search engines, Yandex, for example. And of course, analytics, which will be the last tab here, which is real-time web tracking and analytics. So it will be a complete overhaul of the core functionalities, but those three will be the main functionalities moving forward. Domain monitoring, indexing both with Google and Bing, Index Now as well, and then analytics. So that's the update for now. There's a lot more coming in 2025. If you need to request a feature, you can do so through our Candy board. If you want to shoot us an email, definitely we're available on support@urlmonitor.com. We are updating our user manual. We have Git books now, so we will drop that in here as an update. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, nope. If there's anything else, let us know. But that's the update for now. We hope you enjoyed the features, and we look forward to rolling out more in January 2025.